will show you how to create logo using PowerPoint. Let's take a look. First, we'll open the PowerPoint. I'm blank. I will delete this one. Next, I will go to Insert. Then I will choose this oval. Just press Shift while dragging. So now I will change the outline to this color. I will adjust. You can choose any color. For this tutorial, I will choose this color, and I will change also the fill color, which is the lighter one. That's the one. Then next, again I will insert another shapes. This one, this rounded rectangle. Then I will change also the shape outline. This one, see, and I will make the weight at least the same. I will change also the fill. Okay, this one. Then I will add another shape, this square or rectangle without round. And I will adjust also the shape color. Then width, make it shorter. Okay, I will insert text here. I will type Kamayo ako. I will put here. Then I will go to Format, then Text Effects, then Transform, this one. I will make it center, and I will adjust the font size. Again, I will insert another text, video tutorials. Then I will put here. I will adjust the size. Then again I will go to Format, then Text Effects and Transform. Now I will choose this one. You can adjust by dragging here. Look, and I will make it center. Then I will put some text here, insert, then text, general, tutorials, I will make it center. I will adjust the font. Now I will insert some audio here. I will search audio video logo. I will audio first. I will choose this one. This one I will use insert, screenshot, then screen clipping, then I will select this one. Okay, now I have this audio bar, then just select this one and go to remove background. Just press this one, then you can adjust this one and keep changes. Just click this one, it will remove the background and you can insert here. Then I will put some video here, video logo. I will change to red and I will remove the outline. Then I will put here insert and I will choose this triangle. Then I will rotate this one. I will put here and I will change the fill to white and I will remove the outline. Look, now I can change this one, the shift effects. Just go to, now I will choose this one, preset, choose another, I will put here so that you can see which selection I choose. This shape effects. Okay, I will choose this one. Then I will change the outline again to dark. You can play with these settings or these options, which design you prefer. And here also I can change also the 3D or this one. Okay, I will keep as is. Now I will move down. I will change the blue to that one. I think this is not balanced. I will just you can insert any images. So this is, I just want to show you how to make it a logo. Now I will just select one item and just press Ctrl A alpha, then right click, then group, so that you can move this one. You can put any text here. Now I will insert another option for text. I will use this one, then subscribe. I will change the font size. Okay, so now we have a logo. Again, I will ungroup this one because I need to balance this one into our oval. Still not balanced. Okay, I will press Ctrl E again to select all and right click, then group. So this one still PowerPoint format. Now I will save as to JPEG. Here, let's say logo, just this one. So if I close this one, look, this is the one we need. So still this one is JPEG, so we need to convert it into, it looks logo. So just right click, open with Adobe Photoshop. Okay, I will just drag this background to make it copy. Just put slide folder, just put here, automatically it will create a copy. Now I will choose this one, magic wand tool, and just press here, click your mouse, then right click, then select inverse. Now just go to edit, copy, edit, and paste. If I remove this one, now we have a logo. Look, I will adjust the canvas. I will put 4. Proceed. Then I will save as to PNG. I will make a rename logo new, then save. Now look, this is our logo. If you double click to open, look, this is our logo which created from PowerPoint. Thank you and God bless.